You're almost done with your common application. Before you submit, there's a few more steps to complete specific to the University of Utah. Navigate to My Colleges and select University of Utah. Then go to Questions. Here you'll see a few additional considerations you'll need to fill out for your application. In the General dropdown, start with choosing your term. Select your start date and make sure you've graduated in time to begin your college classes. If you decide to share your ACT or SAT score with the admissions team, choose Yes on the test optional question. Be sure to also send an official copy to the U. Below test scores, you'll see the university offers a variety of fee waivers to applicants. Read the qualifications and select any option that applies to you. Next, in the Academics dropdown, you should pick a major you're most interested in. If you're not positive what you want to study just yet, don't worry. You can always change your major as you discover your academic passions. Some majors will prompt you to take additional steps. You'll need to follow the instructions provided. If you're interested in the University of Utah Honors College, don't forget to write the required essay. The rest of the questions in this section are to help you determine whether you're eligible for in-state tuition, scholarships you could receive, and other resources you might want to take advantage of. Take your time here, make sure everything is filled out thoroughly and accurately. Now that you've completed this section of the Common App, you should see a green check mark by all 3 sections. Once you see all 3 checks, that's it, you're ready to submit your application.